Oh hi, didn't see you there. Unfortunately, you can't just hide your money in the Cayman Islands. This is what you need to know about how to file your taxes as a student. As a Canadian citizen, you need to file your taxes with the Canada Revenue Agency, or CRA. Everything related to your taxes can be found in your My CRA account. If you don't already have an account, you can easily register for one on the CRA website. It's important to file your taxes even if you didn't earn any income. By filing your taxes, the government may even give you money if you qualify for certain rebates. What can you claim as deductions on your taxes? The most common for students are tuition, education and textbook amounts, and moving expenses. Deductions help lower the amount of tax that you owe, or can even increase the amount of refund that you get. Just make sure to keep your receipts. And after school, you can even claim the interest paid on your student loans. Now there's an idea going around that you don't need to file taxes until you turn 18. This is just incorrect. If you've ever had a job before you turned 18, then the government has probably been taking taxes off of your paycheck. And there are certain instances with OSAP where you need to provide a notice of assessment, which you get by completing your taxes. Here are some of the common tax forms that you might see. The first is a notice of assessment. Once you file your taxes, you'll receive a notice of assessment. There are a few important things that this form will tell you. It will tell you the date that the government checked your tax return, the amount of money that you either owe or get back as a refund, and for later on, it says how much money you can deposit into an RRSP for the upcoming year. It's important to keep a copy of your notice of assessment for your records. The second is a T4. You'll receive a T4 if you've earned any employment income during the year. It shows all the money that you made from one employer during the year, which means multiple employers, multiple T4s. Don't get this confused with a T4A, which you get for receiving scholarships or bursaries from Carleton. You'll be able to find your T4A document by logging into Carleton Central, going to the Student Services tab, and then clicking Canadian Tax Forms. Finally, you may have a T2202. This document provides information on tuition and fees that you're eligible to claim on your tax return. By claiming these on your tax return, it can reduce the amount of tax that you owe. And you'll also be able to find this information on Carleton Central. So how do you file your taxes? You can file your taxes online through an in-person tax clinic or the Sprott School of Business, which also offers Carleton students their own tax clinic. The link for that will be found in the pinned comment below. I hope you learned a little bit more about taxes as a student. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Savings with Spenny.